It's like a collapsed wiener or something, you know. All right, so we've been waiting on this piece to cover this. Let's see if we got it right. The regular old Dorman part. But I think for this, it'll be just fine. I think we got it. So. Yeah, it's much better. We're making gains. I got this far put together, but, well, just let me show you. It's pretty sad, right? Nothing. This looks like a hobo satchel. So I've ordered another one. I splurged and ordered a boot because I don't have a sewing machine because I'm a loser. And then we'll have that buttoned up and we'll be on to the next thing. We got our shifter boot here, just like that. If I can get that in. Cool. So that fit. With contact cement, you get it on, you get it tacky. And then you can't just start slapping it together. You gotta like give it time. So we're just gonna paint it on. And you want to keep it from touching itself prematurely. Yeah, that's what I said. You want to keep it from touching itself prematurely. So now, this leather's kind of soaking it up, so I'm going to put a little extra around here. I'm just gonna hold this like an ice cream cone while it gets sticky. So like I said, the glue needs to set up. That's the way contact cement works. It looks about ready. When it starts getting kind of like milky and drying and getting kind of tacky, that's when you want to do it. So we'll start on this side with the cuts. Just gonna get it all the way around here. There it is. There she is. There's the leather boot all installed, looking good. All right, winning.